Alright, we're back. So I go find my specialty tab. Harley thread, quarter 24. So that's what this tap here is. So I can go ahead and put that in there and see what's going on. Why is it not going? Be very careful not to screw it up. First thing you do is make sure it works correctly in the other hole. It does. It's pretty tight, but it goes in there. It's not cutting anything, just really tight. Okay, now let's try, see if this will find the correct hole. There it goes. First couple threads were not happy. Couple turns. Okay, that should be far enough. All kinds of brown crap coming out of the hole. I'm not sure what that is. It's weird. All kinds of garbage. See all this crap coming out of here? Don't know what that all is. That's probably what the problem is. Also maybe we need to get some oil on this thing. I'm going to use a little CRC on there. Stick it back into this hole and run it in deeper. Try to find out what the hell the problem is here. Don't break it off. I've done that before. Yeah, just a little bit of black goo and crap in there, nothing really important came out. Try this again. So let the tap search out the original thread. Pressure. Light junk, nothing really heavy. Obviously it's full of crap. Okay. Get our special nozzle tip to go down inside of a hole to blow the hole out. Okay. They go now like they're supposed to now. Imagine that. Clean the crap out of your thread holes and they work. Yep, that one went good. No problem. Goes right in. Okay, we appear to be good. 15-minute delay. Better do that than strip it all out. It's a lot more work to fix it after you strip it. Okay, we're neutral, the rollers are all there. Try this again. Alright, see what happens. Still ain't going in very well. What the hell's going on here? No. Well, same problem. Alright, let's go see what the next thing is going to be. It's got to be an alignment issue. Man, that got tight. You're kidding. You only got 2 turns and it locks it down. Screws are too short. So the cover's not cut deep enough. Screws look like the right length. Yeah. Got like 2 turns, if that much. Obviously going a lot more in 2 turns. Yep. See how far they stick out? See the screw right there? I'm on the screw, it's only sticks out about that. 3/16 at most, 1/8 inch. Probably 1/8 inch worth of thread. That's not how it's supposed to be. So, is there something in here, or is it made wrong? Looks like it's made wrong. Or the screws are wrong. Alright. We're going to check, see if we got some longer screws. I'll be back. Alright, we're going to have to drill this out and fix it. So, get this set up where you can see what I'm doing. What the hell? That was a smooth move. Dumped oil all over my leg and my hand. Ugh. Alright, need a big mess there. Because I moved too fast. Alright, so I went and checked the screw. These are the stock lengths. So we have almost no protrusion out the other end here. So we only got maybe 1/8 of an inch at most sticking out right there. So we're going to go ahead and cut it. So this cutter here is not exactly right, but it's close. It's probably about 10 degrees off, I bet, but as close as I can get. We're going to use these 2 big bits here to support it, get it off the table so it sits flat. And I should be able to go right down in here and go down a certain amount, which I can set right here with my depth stop. So we're just going to do an initial amount there, about another 1/8 of an inch, see what happens. Cut here across. Down. Ah, damn chrome. Just cuts right into you. Chrome's all flaking off this cover. Damn, it just goes like a knife, like a razor blade right into your hand. Okay, so there's the one that's cut, not cut. I don't know if you can see in there. So now we have that much protrusion. About a 1/4 inch. Probably could use more than that, I bet. Maybe this part I want to keep. Ah, fucking chrome. Poking me again. Okay, we'll go ahead and do this side here. We haven't done this one yet, and we'll go back and do the other. Why? Doesn't feel like it's cutting anyway. It is. Okay. So that's that. There. I'm going to do that again. The old way of doing depth stops. You have a thumb wheel here to go whatever you need. Give another 1/8 of an inch. That should give us enough to what we need. Okay. At some point you're going to cut into something that matters, but not sure at what point that will be. I think we're all right. Seem to be the same height. Okay, now we got some decent amount of thread sticking out. So get all this cleaned up and we'll come back. Ah, stupid ass chrome. Still getting me. Inside of my, it's either cut already in there or it's in there. Feel my skin flopping around. All right.